Hello everyone, welcome back to 4th Generation Renovation. The next room to do some work on is the dining room. So today we're going to clear everything out of here and pull the carpets up and start getting ready for some exciting renovations in this room. So we've got the fireplace that's going in, I've got the mantle and the over mantle to build, and we've got the pocket doors. So we'll be cutting the pocket doors in here and building pocket doors and obviously doing the rest of the treatment to the room with lining it all in some nice new plasterboard and flushing it and all that type of work. So keep your eyes open over the next few weeks and you'll see work starting to happen in this room. Yeah, well, we can't rip our leg off. I'm going to have to go over there. Push it that way.
We're going to have to chop it off.
Now I've got to go back. That was me in my younger days. What's in it? Is that stuff? For those people that have seen the LED light window video, and I said I had lost my lead knife, it was sitting up there on the mantle behind my little jar thing that I had put my keys in. So I looked at it, I went past it every day, and it was sitting there, and I just bought a new one. So anyway, that was funny. No. Oh, whoops.
Oh, for God's sake, what did you cut yourself on?
I don't know, probably some of these spiky things or something. Oh. I win.
Oh, sorry, Lily.
Throwing that in the bin, sweep up, and I can take that out.
There's all little nails.
Yeah, they all need pulling out. Okay guys, well we got it all cleared out at last, with a bit of a laugh along the way and a bit of an argument as well. So Julie's just going around sweeping the floor. Thought I'd have a little chat. So when we got the carpet up, I discovered that someone's put a new floor down in here. So this is all, as you can see, odd planks, so it's recycled flooring from somewhere else. Still Baltic pine, so that's good. That'll still machine up nice. And it's got some flakes here that are the colour of what the finished floor will be. So, I don't know, that's just, I thought, a funny thing. So the oil heater will be coming out, and it looks like they've bricked up a little bit above the heater there, so I'll have to knock those bricks out. I've got the fireplace out in the shed, so I'll bring that in and we'll put that in, but I've got some re-rendering to do where it's had some salt damp or something. It actually looks like the plaster's just given way. It doesn't look like it's actually got any signs of rise and damp, so that's sort of okay. I think that the lime water has just sort of powdered up and fallen apart. So yeah, that's really all there is to say. We've got an empty room with some Baltic pine and an old heater. So stay tuned to see this room take shape over the next couple of months. I want to do these pocket doors. That'll probably be the first thing I do, and fitting the fireplace, because we are going to move our lounge room into here temporarily, and then this wall behind the camera there will be pocket doors as well eventually, and then this will all open up to a big dining room. It'll be a parlour, as I've mentioned, where I'll have a couple of wing-back chairs and a desk with my computer on it and whatnot. And then we can open it up and we can have tables through here and have a family meal here and all fit in here. So we have got 6 kids between us, so there'll be no one else invited, just the immediate family. Otherwise we'll have to go outside. So yeah, I'll leave it at that for today. And next time you see me in this room, we'll be starting to rebuild. So hope you enjoyed it. Seeing a bit of laughing and carry on as we clean this room out. And I hope you're interested enough to watch the videos coming up and doing this room up. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.